Today I will learn how to paint capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's paint. Like blue color, I paint capital letter A for aeroplane. Green color. This is a capital letter B before ball. Yellow color. Capital letter C, C for candy. Red color. Capital letter D, D for dinosaur. Orange color, capital letter E, E for egg. Light pink color, F, F for fish. Purple color, capital letter G, G for grass. Brown color, H, H for horse. Let's repeat again. Capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.